Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I made my breadfruit punch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's Kali Kitchen _1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have my condensed milk, and this condensed milk contains vanilla, cinnamon and nutmeg. I also have some freshly grated nutmeg as well. I also have my breadfruit that I've already gone ahead and cooked. I also have my cinnamon powder, Supligen, and this is the vanilla flavor, and I also have my Guinness. You can go ahead and use dragon stout if you wish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add my breadfruit, the cooked breadfruit that is, to the blender. And I'm also going to add the water that I cooked my breadfruit in to the blender as well. I will also go ahead and add some of the vanilla cinnamon powder, to the breadfruit. And also some of the freshly grated nutmeg. Now, if you guys want, you can go ahead and use some vanilla, but I will not be using any vanilla in this one. But you can always go ahead and use whatever you have at home. As you can see, I just showed you the Supligen that I'm going to go ahead and add to the breadfruit. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some of the Guinness also. And always remember, guys, whenever you're going to pour out Guinness, whatever you're going to pour out, whatever beer you're going to pour out, also, please ensure that you tilt it to the side so that it doesn't foam up a lot. Alright? So once I added the Guinness, I'm just going to go ahead and blend this. And this takes roughly 5 minutes to make. Really easy and simple. You guys can go ahead and check out my description box for all of the ingredients used. You guys can go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about this awesome recipe. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add the condensed milk. Now I know a lot of you might not have the privilege with this condensed milk, or a lot of you might not like this condensed milk because it already has all of the spice. You guys don't have to use this condensed milk. And also, if you guys want to go ahead and add some almond milk, you can go ahead and use almond milk also. All right. So I'm just going to blend this, then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like after it finished blending, alright? So guys, this is what it looks like. This is what my breadfruit punch looks like. A little bit thick, but we're going to go ahead and add the rest of the Supligen. And we're going to go ahead and combine everything together. And if you find out that it's a little bit too thick, you guys can go ahead and add some water, or you can go ahead and use some Guinness if you have Guinness, or if you have dragon stout, you can go ahead and use dragon stout. But you don't want your punch to be too thin. You want to ensure that you can drink this at night, just in case you don't want any heavy food on your stomach, alright? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to mix this. And then I'm going to come back and show you guys the final product of my breadfruit punch. So I'm just showing you the consistency of the breadfruit punch, not too thick, not too watery. So I'm just going to pour this in my mason jar and show you guys what it looks like. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my breadfruit punch. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try this recipe. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen. Remember guys to turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye!